Okay, this is Dan with Midwestern Geek in Cali. And real quick, I just wanted to show you, if you don't know already, how to full screen a window or a YouTube video. You can do it in the video playing on the website right above. And all you need to do is go to the square in the little corner here and click full screen. And there you go. The video is full screen. You can start it playing, and I will pause it so it's not conflicting audio. And then to get out of it, all you do is press the escape key on your keyboard and it's back to normal size. And that's how you watch YouTube video in full screen, which the how-to videos in this video cast are probably going to be a lot easier to see if you do them full screen like that. And with that note, happy Vulcan fingers to you from the age of 42, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.